Hello children. Today in SST we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 7, Care and Compassion. Children, in our last chapter we had already learned about different kinds of people, and different people help us in different way in our day-to-day life. Today in this chapter we will read about so many people with their differences, some old people and some sick people, and some disabled people, poor people, and how to make friends in a classroom and how to take care of animals. Open page number 56 in your SST book. People with differences. Differences means variations. अलग अलग तरह के. Every single person in this world is unique or different. As you know, in your family only there are so many people, but every people have other features than you. Every people is unique and different. No two people are exactly the same. Some people are born with curly hair, while some people have loose hair when they get older. Some people have curly hair, some have straight hair, some are dark, some are very fair, etc. There are some people who are having red hair, some are having black hair, some are brown skin, and some are pink skin. There are people with freckles and people with birthmarks. Freckles means light brown color patches in the skin, and birthmarks mean during the time of born only they are having some marks in their skin which exist on their skin lifetime. So every people have one another quality. There are people who are good at playing football and people who love to make beautiful paintings. Some of them like sports, some like painting, some like dancing, some like singing, etc. Some people love to read and some people love to cook. Means we all are different, and that what make this world such a special place. As we all people are different from each other. Just like we are born with differences in the way we look and the way we act, some people are born with differences in the way their body work or how their brain work. As some people are different by their look, but some people are there whose body structure are different. Some people are disabled and some are normal. Sometimes people may have to be in a wheelchair because their legs don't work. You must have seen so many people who can't walk properly. They may not be able to talk properly, and they may not be able to learn and do everything the way you or others do. Having a brain or body that work differently doesn't stop them for having fun, loving their friends, going to park, snuggling their mommy, playing with their daddy, learning to cook, having fun at a party, or being whom they are meant to be. But disability or the lackness doesn't mean that they don't have fun in their life. They also enjoy the life as you all enjoy. There's no reason to be afraid when they see people who are different. When we see different kind of people who are not normal or not like us, we should not get afraid of them. We need to understand them, love them, care them. We should respect these differences and try our best to help them and to make them feel comfortable. So children, this means that there are varieties of people in this world. There are so many kinds of people. Some are good, some are bad, some are fair, some are dark. Some people can walk, some cannot walk. Some people can talk, learn, behave properly, but some can't. But whenever we see different kinds of people, disabled kind of people, we should not stare them. We should not make fun of them. We should not scold them or feel afraid of them. We should love them, care them. We should understand their feelings, how they feel, because their disability doesn't restrict them to enjoy their life. They can also enjoy their life as you all do. only they have some lackness in their body. Clear?